Well, hello guys, welcome back. I'm so excited. Today is officially day 1 of keto, fundamental, back on track. Woo! This is the part of my training that I have been looking forward to for months. However, I can't lie to you, I'm freaking out a little bit. I am not looking forward to this keto flu, which I know I'll get because that's the way my body works. And even though I've been low carbing it for quite some time now, I still have had more carbs than keto will allow. So I anticipate the headaches, the fatigue, the crankiness for a couple days. That's just part of it. And unfortunately, I'm prone to it. There you go. So for breakfast this morning, I took 1 tablespoon of butter, mixed 2 jumbo eggs, scrambled them in the butter, and topped it with 1/4 cup of cheddar cheese. And I had my decaf coffee with a tablespoon of heavy cream. For lunch, as you can see, I drove through Wendy's and I picked up the Baconator sandwich without the bun. And it doesn't have ketchup or anything on it. It's just 2 little, and they were little this time. I don't know if Wendy's changed, but those little burgers were like the little kitty size. 2 little tiny square burgers with 2 strips of bacon. That was it. I didn't add any mayo or anything to it. I'm gonna do the best I can with keeping my foods as whole as possible, and definitely keeping my veggies up, and at least getting 2 cups of veggies daily. So tonight I plan on making, I bought a giant bag of the shredded cabbage, so I'm gonna make that, and I think I'm gonna add into it some ground beef, and I'm gonna make the inside of like an egg roll without the wrapper part. I'm gonna try to do that. Throw a little soy sauce in there to keep my sodium up, and so that's what I'm gonna have. And I'm putting everything into my Fitness Pal. Some of you have been asking me about that. My diary has been closed for quite some time because I was not fundamental keto, and I didn't think it was fair for anybody following me to view the diary when it wasn't necessarily keto. Because I didn't want to screw anybody up, if somebody didn't know what's been going on in my life and that I kind of steered away from it while doing this prep. Just didn't want anybody confused. So that's that. The diary is going to stay closed for a while, but I will be posting meals and recipes and getting back to the good old Feliciannurse keeping it keto lifestyle. I'm interested in seeing how it's going to go with the gym, because originally the reason that we kind of steered away from this whole thing was because I was totally fatigued, wasn't able to get a good workout in. So I'm curious to see. If you're curious to know why I'm going back on keto, it is because for the last few months, if you haven't been following me, I don't know why you haven't been, but if you haven't, I have been prepping for a physique competition. Not bodybuilding, sort of bodybuilding, I guess, but they call it physique. It's pretty much where you don't step out on stage in like the bikini and the rhinestones and the high heels. That's something that I love and think is beautiful, but not for me. I am doing where you get to wear either bare feet or sneakers, and you get to do some kind of athletic posing and stuff like that. So it's not as severe, and I'm not going to be starving myself per se, because some of these girls that do these bikini competitions, legit, like pretty much their metabolism takes a dump, and they really, I mean, like 1 chicken breast, 2 stalks of asparagus, that's a meal. I can't. So we're going to do this keto for a while now, for the next few months. And if I can keep up with my workouts and maintain building some muscle while leaning out, to see all the muscle that I have built, because I know I have. My quads are like rocks, and my shoulders, and like everything is really hard right now, but there is a layer of fat on top. I'm not saying that that's bad, but in order for me to really see and appreciate all the work I've been doing, I need to lean down a little bit, because part of building the muscle required me to up my carbs and protein, you guys know, and with that comes some extra body fat, which I am not in any way, shape, or form upset about. I expected it. I welcomed it, because I'm transforming my body, and it doesn't happen overnight. It's a process. So now that the summer's coming and now that I am like a quarter of the way into my journey, it's time to go back to keto and see how I do. I plan on making weekly weigh-in videos so you guys know what's going on. You're definitely going to see an increase in videos, guys, because I need your support more than anything. You are my family and have always been, and the ones that have stood by me through this whole process, thank you. I appreciate it. The ones that dropped off because I wasn't fundamental, their loss. I don't know what else to say. But nobody's obligated to watch my channel by any means, but I do need your support. I really do. Because I'm just like you. I'm not perfect, and there will be times where I'm sure I'm going to want to, you know, have that sweet potato or have that Ezekiel bread, but I can't do it right now. So, yeah. So right now I'm feeling great. I did bring this with me to work, a giant bottle of water. This is bent in because I was drinking and capped it. But my goal is to drink several of these a day. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to update you. So day one, I will obviously be doing this weigh-in every week. So I will be posting a video every Thursday night. Because today is Thursday. Say Thursday? Wait a minute. Whoa. Hold on. I don't even know what day it is. Hold on, you guys. Is it Tuesday or Wednesday? Or Thursday? I don't even know what day it is. Okay, I figured it out. It's Thursday. Today is Thursday. So every Thursday, I will be posting a weigh-in video. So keep your eye out for that every Thursday night. In between that, you're going to see more recipes, more meals. I'm going to show you what I'm eating. I'm going to vlog. I'm going to literally go back to the way things used to be, except I'm going to be a brand newbie again. So that should be exciting. That's the scoop, guys. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Again, please be supportive. It's not going to be easy in the beginning. It's all going to be new to me again. So anyway, thanks for sticking around. I got to get back inside to work. I will talk to you all later. Hope I can do okay. All right. Love you guys. Have a wonderful day. Stay focused. Stay focused. I love you. Bye, guys.